Hello guys, today our lessons focus on chapter 4, worksheet for grade 11. An instruction Roman number 1 say true all false. Question number 1. The body sections of HTML document well the main visible content is placed. Question number 2. HTML is a programming language. Question number 3. The A or anchor tag in HTML used to create hyperlink. Question number 4. JavaScript is no programming language. Question number 5. Alert is an output function that works by single or double quotation. Remember to choose the correct answer from the given alternative. Question number 6. HTML stands for dash A. Hypertext Markup Language, B. Hypertext Machine Language, C. Hypertext Marking Language, D. Hypertext Markupping Language. Question number 7. By which tags an order list is replaced? A. U, B, L, C, U, L, D, O, L. Question number 8. By which tags an order list is represented? A, U, B, L, C, U, L, D, O, L. Question number 9. How do we write comment in HTML? A. Lesson / and the end greater lesson exclamation mark minus at the end greater. C. Lesson / at the end / and the greater. D. Lessons at the end exclamation mark and the greaters. Question number 10. Which of the following stations used to save HTML files? A. .h, L, B, .h, C, .ht, D, .html. Number 1. Among the following, which is the HTML paragraph tags? A, P, B, PRE, C, HR, D, A. Question 1.4. Which one is used to embed or reference JavaScript code? A. Style, B. Script, C. Button, D. A. Question 1.3. Which tag is used to clickable icon for a shape? A. UL, B. IMG, C. Button, D. OL. Question 1.4. Which of the following stations used to save JavaScript file? A. .css, B. .j, C. .js, D. HTML. Question 1.5. Which tag is used to create block inline? A. B, B, BR, C, EM, D, A. Question 1.6. Dash is a default color of hyperlink. A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. Black. 1.7. The value of hashtag F, 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 0 is dash. A. Red, B. Green, C. White, D. Black. Question 1.8. The values of age. Hashtag 60 is dash. A. Red, B. Green, C. White, D. Black. Question 1.9. The value of hashtag FF is dash. A. Red, B. Green, C. White, D. Black. Question 2.0. The value of 0.000 FF is A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. White. Question 21. The value of hashtag 00FF00 is A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. White. What is the correct syntax for setting text color using a line? A. P style. Text color red. This is red color as in closing P. B. P style font color red. This is red text. The last one closing P. C. P styles equal to color red. This is red text. Last one P. D. P text red. This is red text. Closing P. Question 25. Which of this is a valid way to specify a color in HTML? A. Hexadecimal. Example F00. B. RGB. That is 25, 0, 0. Question C. Color name red. D. O. Show answers. Question number 26. How do you create hyperlink in HTML? Question 27. What is the purpose of img tag in HTML? Question 28. What is the difference between block, labels, and the inline element in HTML? Question 29. What is the purpose of BR? Question 13 or 30. How do you link external style sheet in HTML? 31. Write examples of what inline element in HTML. 32. Write an example of block element in HTML. 33. In JavaScript, single line comment begin with dash. 33. What is the difference between head and body tags? 34. What is the purpose of the TR tag? 35. What is the difference between block level and inline level in HTML? 36. What is the purpose of BR tag? Which is the correct JavaScript statement to display hellos into an alert box? Alert and again and again. Which one is correct? Thank you for all today. Tutorial lessons efficiency. Please share, subscribe, and comments on this topics. Bye bye.